What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 4 different ways on how to be successful from the GOAT, Michael Jordan.
Nerf this!
My name's Sean. In each and every video, I try to make you the best version of you. So if you're new here, consider subscribing because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you turn on the post notifications and you won't miss a thing. Also, please, before we start, smash that like button or that dislike button if you hate me. It really helps the channel grow and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's jump right into it. Number 1 is to be positive and be an optimist. You get what you receive. So if you're putting out positive energy, you're putting out optimism, guess what you're gonna get back? Positive energy, optimism. So make sure you're always in a positive attitude. You say your positive affirmations first thing in the morning or sometime throughout the day. Make sure that you're really in a good lighthearted mood and you always try to see the good in everything because, again, guys, you get what you give. If you can visualize positive things happening in your life, guess what's going to happen? Positive things are going to happen in your life. So number 1, guys, is to be positive and be an optimist. The glass is always half full. Number 2 is to follow your dreams, guys. I talk about this in a lot of videos. Make sure you are doing what you want to do with your life. If you're not following your dreams, you're gonna wake up a 90-year-old man or woman and say, what the hell did I do? I would much rather say, at least I tried, than what if. You don't want to live your life with regret and you don't want to live your life wondering, what if I had just tried? So follow your dreams, whatever you're passionate about, go after it. You can make it work, you can find a way, just do it. Hashtag not sponsored by Nike. So rolling right into number 3 is to stop making excuses. Guys, making excuses is the worst thing you can do for yourself. You're basically rationalizing failures in your life. Oh, I couldn't do it because I didn't have enough money. Oh, he got into the NBA because he's much better than me. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school team and he went on to be the greatest player, in my opinion, in the game of basketball. He transcended the game. Going back and watching some of his clips, I'm still in awe. I remember watching him when I was like 5 or 6 years old and I was just in amazement at what he could do. It's funny, I remember watching the final with my dad. My dad wanted the Jazz to win with Stockton and Malone because he felt, Mike was winning too much. And I was rooting for Michael Jordan because everyone loves a winner, right? But my dad had always been a fan of the underdog and we were going back and forth, and those are some of the best memories I have, just, watching sports with my dad. But just going back to that point, I was just in amazement at what he could do. And guys, this is someone who was cut from his high school team. So it doesn't matter where you're at, it's where you want to be. So always be working towards that. And rolling right into the 4th and final tip, that is to fail your way to success. Yes, he was cut from his high school team, but guess what? That made him work harder. That made him really hone in on his skills, on his craft, ball handling, passing, shooting, overall IQ, getting in the right conditioning. He really put in the work to be the greatest of all time, and obviously it paid off. So having failures does not make you a failure. The only time you're a true failure is when you quit, 100%, alright? So you need to have failures and use them as learning lessons in your life on how to become a winner. He took being cut from his high school team and used it as a lesson that made him work harder, that made him hone on his skills like I just mentioned, and that made him really get the ball rolling on becoming the greatest player to ever play the game, in my opinion. So those are 4 tips from Mike. So let's be like Mike, guys. I'm going to put them right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Signing off.